question here is asking us about vertical and horizontal lines. If the equation of a line is x equals 2, just imagining what that would look like on a graph, that is going to be the collection of all the points that have an x value of 2. So if you ever have x equals something or y equals something, think of it that way. It's the collection of all the points with x equal to 2. So what would that look like on a graph? Here we have 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. So if you're ever unsure of whether something in the x equals or y equals format is vertical or horizontal, then you can do what I just did. You can say it's the collection of all the points with an x of 2, collection of all the points with a y value of whatever. So this is the line x equals 2. Perpendicular to that means it's going to hit it at a right angle. So an example of a line like that would be this one here, which is the collection of all the points that have a y value of 3. In other words, y equals 3. And so what is the slope of a line like that? Well, let's think about a skateboarder. If I had a skateboarder going up the line x equals 2, so I've got a little stick figure of a skateboarder, and my skateboarder is skating on a vertical wall, and this skateboarder is, the future is not looking so bright for this skateboarder, let's just say, because it's impossible. In other words, the slope is undefined. An impossible situation going straight up or straight down a wall, let's call that undefined. Now, if the skateboarder, on the other hand, is skateboarding on a nice flat sidewalk, it's the opposite of impossible. It's actually kind of boring. So here, the slope is going to be 0. So a vertical line has an undefined slope. A horizontal line has a 0 slope. And x equals 2 was line L. Actually, no, I said it backwards. L is the one that's perpendicular to x equals 2. So this line right here is L, and that's the one that had the slope of 0, which is answer choice A.